Alright, today we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. And the big thing I got done today was I got the bracket installed for that holds the engine and the transmission together. And then I got the zip ties in place, but I didn't tighten them up yet because I want to look at it from a few more angles before I tighten them down really tight, just to make sure that's exactly where I want them. All the bolts are tight. That bolt right there, the shiny one, didn't come with the transmission. In fact, there wasn't one in there. Perhaps on some vehicles a bracket goes there. I haven't found one yet. The empty bolt holes in that cap right there are also made to hold in brackets, but I don't think I have a bracket that goes there. And nothing's going to leak if no bolts are put in there. But I'm afraid without that one shiny one in there, my cap there at the end would have came loose. There's another shot at that bracket. I think that's the speedometer that goes to that cable right there. Not the cable, but the wire goes to a sensor. But I wanted to make sure it was held up and out of the way. Plus, that is where they were in the original placement. But there was nice plastic ties, but they were more than 20 years old and basically fell apart during disassembly. There. And the other one was also right there. So right now I'm thinking the next thing to do would be to put that exhaust together. I don't believe there was a donut in there. I'll look it up and make sure before I put it together. I couldn't find one, and a new one didn't come with my gasket set. So there probably isn't one. So we're making progress on our new power package. From here I'll pick up the tools and put them away, and I'll cover the engine. And that's all I can get to right now. This morning I did work on the Oliver 1800 with my father, preparing the head for that. And didn't work on the swather today because of the weather. It's raining outside, which is why I'm in the shop today. So, but I kept the video strictly on the Oldsmobile because I know you're probably just looking for information on this engine and how to put it together. So thank you very much from John Rudy at Rudy Racing.